Hi everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to Winget. It's an application which is built in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This application will help you install, uninstall and update any app on your Windows PC. Today I'd like to show you some basics with this tool and to show you how useful it could be and how much time it can save for you, and finally how it can boost your productivity. So all you have to do is run command prompt. It works in PowerShell too, but we will use the command prompt for today. So hit Windows R and type down cmd and press enter. It will pop up this command prompt window. Now I will show you some basic commands which I think you will find useful. The first one is to get a list of your apps which can be managed by this Winget tool. You can achieve it by winget list command. Now, as you can see, we have a list of your applications in your Windows computer. It has several columns. The first column says the application name. The second column is unique ID of the application. We will need it later. The third column is the version you have installed on your computer. And then there is a fourth column which says if there is any newer version than the installed one. So for example, here you can see that Bandicam is pretty old here. I have it installed in version 7, but there is already version 8 available. If you want to list only those apps which have available update, so you can just type down Winget upgrade. And now you will see that only one application could be updated to its new version. Now for next steps, you need to understand that each app has its unique ID and you will need it for any further action. Unfortunately, as you can see here, some of these IDs are not completed here and they are ended by these three dots, which are telling us that this is not a whole ID of this app. And you always need the whole ID. In this case, I would recommend to maximize this command prompt window, and all you're going to do, you should do in the maximized command prompt window. Because now, when I type down again Winget list, so you can see that now all these IDs are completed, because now they can fit into the width of this window. That's why you want to have it maximized. So let's say you want to upgrade this Bandicam app. Usually you would go to Bandicam website and download the exe file, install it, go through the whole installation process, which takes some time, some googling and so on and so on. But you don't have to do anything of this. You just can type this command winget upgrade, and now you have to use the ID of the app as I mentioned before, which is this one. So we will highlight it using mouse and click on the highlighted text using right mouse button, which will copy this ID into the Windows clipboard. Now we can go back to the command line and press the right mouse button again, which will paste the ID we have copied before using the first right click button. Now hit enter, and as you can see, the application is being updated. You don't have to do anything, just wait. But what if you would like to update all of your apps at once? All you need is just one command, and this command will check for each app you have found in the listing if there is any newer version released. And if it will find it, it will be automatically installed. So you don't have to manually check it one by one. It will be completely checked and installed automatically using command winget upgrade all. For now, all applications are up to date, so there is no package to be installed. So no updates are available just right now. Anyway, you can use this command anytime to check availability of any new updates of any of your apps. Let's say you want to do it periodically and automatically. So you can schedule a task which will run it, for example, every week, every Friday, and I will show you how to do it. Copy again this whole command by clicking right mouse click button and open Notepad. So go to the search bar and type down Notepad. Paste it here using Ctrl V. Now I'll give you a little tip. If you will put here another one parameter, which is silent, so this upgrade every time will run, will not only check all the applications, but it will not interrupt you while you work. Now save this file we have created containing this one line. Go to File, Save As, and name it as you want, like weekly update. Do not forget to add a CMD extension. It's very important. If you will leave it blank or keep there the txt, it will not work. So remember, it have to has CMD extension. I'm saving it to Documents folder. Save it. Now we will schedule the task to run this file, which will call the upgrades of all applications every Friday. So start the task scheduler. Go to the search bar and type task scheduler and run it. Now here on the right side, click create basic task. You can give it any name. I will use weekly update again and hit next. Well, we wanted to start it every Friday, so it's every week. So the period is weekly. And we will choose a Friday here. Let's say 9:57 p.m. Why not? We can keep it just like that. So we are planning it to run it every Friday at almost 10 p.m. Click next. What are we going to do at this time is start a program. So keep this checked and go next. And now we have to browse for our command file we have just created. So in our case, we have to go to Documents and double click the weekly update. That's it. Finish. So let's go to Task Scheduler Library and find out task we have just added. It's here, it's called Weekly Update, and we are going to make any minor improvements. So double click on it and make sure that on the settings tab is run task as soon as possible after a schedule start is missed is checked. By default it's not checked, so please check it. This means that if your computer will not be running during any Friday at 9:57 p.m, the task will be started as soon as you will start up the computer again. Then I highly recommend to uncheck this, and that should be all. Now sometimes you can get this error, which is actually a Windows bug. So now I will show you how to work around this error. So in these cases, hit OK, go to General tab, and temporarily we are going to change it to another user and then change it back. So at first you should remember which username is used here right now. After that, click on Change User and type down here users and click on Check Names. Then click OK. Now we will put it back to previous user the same way. So we are typing down here the username which has been here before. Again, click Check Names. It should change it like this and hit OK. So we put back the current PC, and now when we hit OK, everything works fine. Now we can try to run it manually just right now. So hit right mouse button on this task and choose Run. As you can see, it has been started here, and as soon as the check has been completed, it has automatically closed down this window. So this is the silent mode. You almost don't even notice that it's been running. So now this task will check all of our applications in Windows every Friday at 9:57 p.m. If there were any newer version released, it will automatically install them and update your apps. I will give you one more tip for those of you who are installing a lot of computers or reinstalling your computers because you are experimenting with the operating system. So you might find useful to automatize all the apps to be installed after every clean installation of Windows. And all we're gonna do is using all the commands I've shown you before. Once again, I will list all of our apps. So let's say that you primarily use Notepad++ instead of Notepad, which is built in Windows. You can automatize this installation of this app with the other apps using another one command file. So I will create another one command file using Notepad again. And I will use the commands we learned before, which is winget, install, and now you have to put in the ID of the application you want to install. In case of Notepad, it is this one ID. So again, right click mouse button, Ctrl V, enter. But you can use another command to remove the built-in Notepad. So all you have to do is winget, uninstall, and now we have to paste an ID of the Windows Notepad. So when you take a look on this list of the apps, it could be sometimes hard to find anything. So you can use this command, winget list notepad. This will list any applications installed on your computer contains a notepad in their name. And this is the one we are looking for. And this is its ID. So again, I'm going to copy it and paste it. So using these two commands, I will install Notepad++ and uninstall the built-in Notepad by Windows. So as you can see, every time you want to install any app using this command, you always need to know its ID. But what if you don't have this app installed here, so you don't know its ID because it's not listed in here, because it's not installed on your computer? Then you can use search instead of list. Winget search Notepad. The difference between Winget list Notepad and Winget search Notepad is that this one is listing all the Notepad applications installed on your computer. But this one will search the repository of all apps that could be installed to your computer. So let's say I want to install an XMView viewer, but I don't know its ID because I don't have it installed on this computer. So just use Winget search XMView. And here you can see all the apps you can install to your computer, which contains the XMView in its name. So I prefer the MP version. Again, right click and a new line to install it. So as you can see, you can create a batch file which will install or uninstall any of the apps you will type here down. Because now when I save it as automatic install, for example, again, do not forget to CMD extension. I'm saving it to documents. So now when I go to documents and run it, it will do all these 3 tasks at once by one click. As you can see, the Notepad++ has to be installed because it's already installed. Here we have successfully uninstalled the Windows Notepad, and then we have installed successfully the XMView. So you can always have this file prepared somewhere on your flash drive if you know that you are going to install several applications you need. Remember, this will not only save your time by downloading and installing everything one by one, but it will always automatically install the latest version of each app. The last one tip, maybe sometimes you will want to install a specific version of the app. Even this can be done with Winget. Let's say that you want to install a specific version of VLC player. At first we have to find out the ID of the VLC. Winget search VLC. This will search the repository, and now we can see that the ID of this app is this. Now we want to list every available version of this app for installation. So you can use this command winget show. Now you put the ID of the app and versions, and it will list you all available versions of this app. If you will want to install, for example, 3.0.10 version instead of the latest one, you can use winget install application ID version, and now you have to exactly paste the version. As you can see, now the 3.0.10 version is installed instead of the latest one. Now let me show you a last one tip, which is a little bit advanced. You can even export the list of all installed apps on your computer. You can do it using winget export O, and now type down a file name you want to export it to. List, and it should have the extension JSON. But beware, it will export only those apps which are available at the apps repository, so which are downloadable and installable using Winget. That's why we got here all these errors, because all these applications are not available using Winget installation process. So as you can see, not every app is covered by Winget. But back to our task. Now we have exported our actual list of applications to this file. Beware, it's always exported to the directory where you already are, which is users current PC. So if you go to C users current PC, you will really find here this JSON file. Why would you do that? Because you can use it in the opposite way, which is import. You can use it as a list of applications to be imported. So after that, for installing all these apps we have just exported to the JSON file, you should use winget import E, and again the file name you have exported a list to. Again, it will download the latest versions of all the apps which are exported in this JSON file, even when you made this export, for example, 1 year ago. So as you can see, the Winget is very underrated tool that saves so much time and keeps your system running smoothly. Because with just a few simple steps, you can manage all your applications installed in your computer. So please hit the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to my channel for more productivity tips like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.